Hey guys, welcome to Lights and Buttons. We're going to talk about smart lighting. In this case, Cree with the Philips Hue system. If you're not familiar with the smart lighting system, we have a smart bulb that talks to a hub or a bridge. And in this case, I have an earlier generation Philips Hue bridge that's connected to a batteryless and wireless controller. So you can hit one button, turn on the lights. You can put this into movie mode and you can pre-program this to whatever you want. So the projector will start projecting if I turn it on, and only these lights will turn on in the living room. You can also do party mode where you can have all kinds of funky colors, and with different apps you can animate them. But anyway, that's besides the point. Bring this light back to normal. With Cree is not part of the Philips Hue system, but it is compatible with the Zigbee protocol. And that will allow the bulb to talk to the bridge. And I'm actually planning to use this outside. So in a few moments, you'll see me manually pair this with the outside lights. One side note I want to make is that Philips also makes a smart bulb that's white that's also $15, almost like the Cree bulb. The difference between Cree and Philips' design is that Philips will say not to put these bulbs within enclosed fixtures. Cree, on the other hand, allows you to do that, and I'm guessing the different slots that it has within the bulb design allows for better heat dissipation. The Hue bulbs, on the other hand, seems like it goes for more of the aesthetically pleasing look, but sacrifices more on the heat dissipation. We have to grab the serial number, and for Cree bulbs, they're all the same. It's that number following the letter E. That's 330248. Alright, make sure the power is off first. And since it's after work, of course, it's all dark outside, so we'll use the night vision mode. So here's one of the working lights. To take the housing apart, you take these two top screws off, and then this whole part drops down. I've already done that over here. Alright, let's power this on. Great, it's not flickering. The old one was flickering, even through different power cycles. It matches the other bulb, which is very nice. And all we have to do is to link this up with the Hue bridge. On the phone, if you go to the Hue app and into your light setup, we're going to go to the defective bulb. We're going to have to delete this, and we'll have to add a new one. Now this might not be the smoothest process, but eventually after either turning on and off the bulb or re-entering the serial number, you'll see one new light found. We scroll to the top. There it is. It shows up as a dimmable light. We'll rename this to outside front. Number 2. Okay, we'll hit done. We'll also go back to the room setup. Go to outside. We also want to add this to the outside. So there it is. Hit save. All done. Let's give this a test. Off, on, and also dim. And that's how you set up a Cree light bulb with the Hue system. Now, one of the advantages of having the smart lighting system like the Hue or something similar is that everything is controlled through the app. You can program the timing. You don't have to worry about messing with these switches. You just leave these on, and then the lights will turn on and off by themselves through the Hue bridge. If you were to put in something like a digital timer that's in a wall, you're going to have to do that for every single outlet. So front, back, side, whichever one that you want to control. And then also during a power outage, if you don't have a backup battery, you lose the time. So some of them might have like a capacitor or a battery backup that's within the unit, but who knows, maybe not all of them do. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We'll see you next time.